Hello, this is Danny from Josh and Danny SEO. They said I should send this over. I really hope the right person does get a chance to see this, but we're going to take a quick look at the website, see what's going on, and see if we can help. Now, I really hope you're not paying Hughes anymore. I don't know why this is here unless it's for reviews. Facebook is definitely good. I don't know why you have a fax number. I don't know if people use it, but if you're going to have your number up here, definitely have it as a click to call button. You want them calling you. This is not so they can look here and then take more time on their phone. Ease of access is the name of the game. Now I got a home about services. It's not a drop down unless I click on it, which is not great. It's fine, but remember, everyone is super lazy. We want them to just get straight to without having to do anything extra for them. Now, good question. Are you looking to refreshen up? Palm Painting and Renovations, it's its own for years. Our crew, our mission, excellent. You're talking about yourself. And interior painting and staining, exterior painting. I love how you have this all over here. You definitely don't want these as bullet points. You want to talk about them individually. Content is key. You want to talk about why it is you do what you do or what it is that you do. Why choose us? Accreditation is great. Testimonies are fine. Wrong place, wrong time. Have them in their areas. Now, I'm really hoping this doesn't just okay, it does go to a new one. It doesn't stay on the same page, thank God. And then we're pretty much done with it. You do have a blog, which is good. It does mean it might muddle it a little bit as far as like your backlinks go. But let's take a look at the back end of your business and see, or your website, and see what's going on. See if we can't spot something there that we can do. Now, nothing is popping up right now. I wonder if it's because I got logged out, which is very much a possibility. No, I did not. Okay, so a UR rating without even seeing the number. You have a 12 for UR rating, which is how strong this website link is in the eyes of Google. A DR rating is how much Google actually does trust you. Now, you do have 188 backlinks with 83 referring domains. That's excellent. Unfortunately, your DR rating should be higher if that's the case, which means that some of these backlinks are more um, uh, like BuzzFeed, Wikipedia, like spammy. So we want really good, strong ones instead of that. Now, a lot of these can just be coming from your blog. And I'm not saying it's spammy or bad. I'm just, saying it's not helping. But here we are. This is keyword stuff. So keywords are what anyone will put in Google. You definitely want stuff that people will find you at. So residential painters, Johns Creek. So if that's an area in Atlanta, that's excellent because it's a buyer intent keyword. It's a residential painter, and they're looking. It's somebody looking for a painter in Johns Creek. 100 people search for that a month. You're not getting any traffic, unfortunately, because you are on page number 4. So every keyword you have, except for one, this one over here, Upturn Painting and Renovations, is, I think, your name, so that's cheating. Which means that these guys are probably not, somebody who comes to your website a lot. Anyway, you do have keywords over here, interior painting coming, Georgia. 50 people a month search for it. You're not getting any traffic. Again, you're on page number 5 and 7. Now, you are moving up, and it seems like you are adding different keywords, which is great. Unfortunately, you're not high enough in the rankings to be able to take advantage of any traffic possible. So let's actually take a look at some of your competition. So this is going to be the competition, but let's just show you what it looks like when I put in Painters Atlanta, Georgia. So we have our ads over here, which are really good to get those quick results if you do them correctly. Another ad over here for your GMB, Google My Business Profile. Now you definitely want to be in one of these three, because 30 to 40% of all people will click on one of these guys. But as we scroll down, this is organic search. Anyone can rank here as long as you do the right stuff. We got Yelp, and then we got Home Advisor, and this is going to be your first big guy, Atlanta Painting Company. This is your competition. So they're serving Russell, Georgia area as well. Their number is not a click to call, so I'm a little disappointed, but they do have this guy over here, so I'm very impressed with that. Unfortunately, I'm getting mad because this doesn't fall up. It should go away. It takes away from half the screen, which is a problem. Now, a lot of what they're doing is just talking about the area, and they're not really getting into what they do. This is what they do, but they're not really getting, I mean, two paragraphs per thing. That's really what you want. And then 4 steps to improving your home, get free home. So they're just talking about how they can be the ones to be, that guy, the one who can help you out. Consistency, foreman, golden rule. Overall, I got to be honest, very solid website. Just there is stuff that you can improve in order to get a better result. But let's take a look at the back end, see what they're doing. So they do have a 39 UR rating. So Google really does like their website. And they do have a DR rating of 31, which means Google does trust them as well. They also have a backlink. They have 1,470 different backlinks with 247 referring, which means those referring domains are pretty good. They also do have 388 different keywords, and they are pulling in a lot of traffic. But let me show you why. The very first thing they got is painting company, right? There are 20,000 people a month searching for that. Now, out of that 2,500 people that are getting to their website, all of it is coming from this. Well, not all, most of it. So 1,000 people a month are going through that. But this is a kind of a keyword that is international. So anyone in the world can type in painting company. So it's not really good to rank for something like that. It doesn't matter. They also have Atlanta painting company. So that's taking up all of Atlanta. 1,300 a month people search for it. They are getting 472 people because they're in position number one for it. So they're doing pretty good as far as that. I wonder what. Hold on. Anyway, but as you can see, that all of this stuff over here, they have volume. These are buyer. This is a buyer intent keyword. 300 people a month searching for it. 43 people came to their website because they're in position two. So they're in the positions to get these people. So how does this help you guys out? Like all this really means is we got to add good backlinks. If that means taking it from this guy over here, Painters Atlanta, Georgia, take it from him, find out the ones he's using, use the same ones, get yourself a lot more organic keywords. Content is key. Add more content to your homepage so that you can add those organic keywords so you can start ranking for them. But that's all I got. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.